Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with a how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you trending Pinterest pins recreated with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we had you guys vote on our Instagram story to see what install you wanted to see next. And this is the one that you guys voted on, and you wanted to see it with the Kinsley collection. So that's what we showed you today.
Yes.
And secret product that was released today is featured.
Yes, so the only things you will need to recreate this are 6 of our new Kinsley Meadows and 1 set of these acrylic stands that we will have in our Amazon storefront if you want the exact ones. If you don't, doesn't make or break the look, you can use your own.
Yeah, even our gold stands I think could work if you did like some tall, like a tall and a short maybe. I don't know. You don't have to use these, but it's what we had, and it looked great with the inspo picture. But we really love these stands. They're really cute.
And they travel well. They collapse really, really tightly.
Yeah.
They travel great.
So that's in our storefront below. But now we can get into it. Okay, so we're going to start with acrylic pillars that we got off of Amazon. These are $150 for a set of 3, but we'll have them linked in our storefront in the description. But they come in 3 sizes. They're really cute.
Perfect for this.
Yeah. And now we're just going to place meadows.
So if you didn't already know, we just released the Kinsley Meadow along. Yes. It is so pretty, so lush. I think this is like one of my favorite meadows.
You really just place it, and that's it. It's so easy. We're going to be done in like a minute.
So these rent for $150. No, maybe that's wrong. Okay,
$150. Yeah, they're comparable in size to our grand centerpiece. Only difference is they don't have a vase, and they come on a flat piece of foam so that you get that vaseless look. So now we're going to place them at the bottom. And then we're going to be done. And you can spread them out if like you want to be in between the columns. You can really make the columns into whatever shape you want. But we were going off of the inspo picture that you guys voted on, and it really is this simple. So there you have it. And there you have it, a split pillar ceremony install featuring our brand new Kinsley Meadows, which are available to rent on our website, SBBlooms.com. And act fast, because these are going to be an instant customer favorite. We've been getting this request for a while, and you don't want to miss out. They're truly so pretty and like impactful.
If you already have an order placed, you can add the Kinsley Meadows to your order. They're only $150, so that is like such a steal. If you like this video and you want to submit your own requests, be sure to fill out the form in the description. Put things like your inspo photos, your color palette, the budget, anything, anywhere you want to decorate, like if it's the ceremony, signage, table, anything like that, and we will be happy to help. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.